we are at the palm kernel processing factory. This place has three products: palm kernel cake, palm kernel oil, and palm kernel sludge. You see, there's no waste in palm kernel. And so I welcome you once again to come on another learning experience with me. I remain your host on Sabia Greek, Uke Praise.
After receiving the kernel, we get the wet from the wet bridge. This is where we discharge the kernel. This machine is called shaker.
Okay.
This is where we separate the impurities.
Okay.
The shaker has three layers. The first layer is a place where uncracked kernel remains, or any other foreign matter like stone, fibers, papers that the customer use to seal their bag while backing. Then the second layer is at the position that we receive. Anything that passed from the first layer to the second layer is where we collect. Then the third layer is where we reject also.
Okay.
That third layer is where the particles are mixed with sand, fibers, and other foreign matters that are not kernel.
Okay.
So from the shaker, it passes into elevator. This machine here is called elevator, belt elevator, makeup of belt, electric motor, and buckets.
Okay.
While the kernel fall into it, the bucket will shove the kernel up and throw into a conveyor up there called distribution conveyor.
Okay.
The distribution conveyor will then distribute it to the upper. This container here, we call it upper, where we store the kernel. Then the kernel, under it, there is suits, direction, channel to each machine. What we use to extract, the machine we are using to extract the kernel is called a speller machine.
Okay.
The speller machine will press the kernel and bring out oil and bring out cake. Okay. The oil is mixed with moisture, dirt, and the clean oil. When it gets to filter press, there is where we separate the oil to have clean oil, and we leave the dirty, which we call sludge. Okay. Then the three byproducts that come out from the palm kernel processing, we call it palm kernel oil, palm kernel cake, and the sludge. Those are the three byproducts that come out from this.
So this is the cake.
This is the cake also, but we crush it 2 times. The first press could not extract all the oil. So it will go back to the machine again. Okay. That process, because the factory is automated factory, after feeding in the kernel from the shaker, the kernel will pass into the machine by itself, and the machine will press, extract it. The oil will go into a conveyor which take it to the oil pit. Then the cake will come out and fall into a conveyor, and the conveyor will take it to elevator, which take it to this second chamber inside the upper for second press, for second extraction, in order to get the required extraction rates from the kernel. You can take a look at the picture of the expeller machine.
Okay, these are
the expeller machines.
Okay. How many expeller machines do you have here?
We have 12 expellers.
12 expellers.
We have 12 expellers. Wow. Each of it is 15 tons capacity.
Per day?
per day.
Wow.
Can crush 15 tons in 24 hours.
And you have 12 of it.
We have 12 of it. If you have enough material, you know what that means.
Yeah, yeah.
So the expeller is made out of electric motor, the gearbox, the funnel, the crushing chamber, and the outlet chamber. The oil falls into a conveyor that take it to oil pit.
Okay, there's an oil pit.
Yes.
Okay.
There is an oil pit down there.
Okay.
That all the oil from the first machine to the
Last.
12th machine will be conveyed to one unit oil pit there.
Yeah, please come show me the pit.
Yes, this is the oil conveyor.
Okay.
It conveys oil right from the first machine to the first stage of separation.
Okay.
While pressing, the oil is mixed with the chaps and dates.
Okay.
So this one here now, we call it microfilter.
Okay.
This is where we filter the chaps that pass through the oil.
Okay.
This is the first stage of separation.
Okay.
We list the particles from this pit. Then it passes to the oil pit here.
Okay.
This is the oil pit where all the oil will come.
Okay, so it comes in from
this through the cutter there.
Okay. So it pours in directly. Okay.
There's a bucket there.
Yeah. That flows from the other side.
Yes, the first stage is where the particle will settle first. Okay. All those ones that could not follow the other one will first settle there. You know, the particles are heavy and they will sink down. The sludge are also heavy. They will go down while the oil floats. Then we use pump to pump it to filter press. Okay. There is a machine up there called filter press.
Okay.
That is where it will push out and separate the oil to have clean oil, and the dirt will remain in the filter press till we scrape it. What we scrape there is called sludge.
Okay. Wow.
This is how the clean oil look like. Start this for me. Let's start.
Wow.
It looks like vegetable oil after filtration.
Yeah.
The color is exactly like refined oil.
Yeah.
After filtration.
Wow.
But while it was still mixed with the
you see.
Dark in color. So after filtration, we have clean oil.
Wow.
From there, we use this other pump to send it to storage tank.
Okay.
Ready for sale.
Wow. Hey guys, I have learned so much with Mr. Ayo. We've learned so much. In fact, I can't wait to come and do something like this. I know you saw how the oil came out. This is good business. This is good money also. We have learned so much. Remember, we're still on Sabia Greek. I remain your host, Uke Praise. Finally, if you want Sabi, you go Sabi. Yeah.